Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Random Studies here, and today we're doing this probability table thingy, and like I have no idea what the fuck this is, but soon we're gonna find out. So basically, I don't know, like people say this shit is easy, and let's just check it out, alright? So first thing first, right? Um, what you want to do is, okay, here's this one trick, okay, which I know about these probability table thingies, right? Just fuck all these questions at first, okay? Just look at the table, okay? Usually they're gonna give you a table, and then down the table they're gonna be like shitloads of questions about the table. But guess what, alright? The table contains the most marks, right? Like look at that shit, 3 marks, like damn, man. Okay, so basically if you know how to do the table really well, you're probably gonna nail all these questions, okay? But if you fuck up the table, you're probably gonna get all the questions wrong. So basically the table is like the holy grail, okay? So let's try to concentrate on how to do the table, okay? And I'm gonna teach you how to do it, okay? At first it's super easy, okay? So first thing first, okay, whenever, okay, they give you this dot thingy, right? It's basically called a dash. But if there is like a number under, or like on top of these dash, you're gonna use this number to get this number, okay? And I'm gonna teach you how you can do that, okay? Basically you use your calculator, right? And you use this top number, okay? It's 3 by 4 here, okay? And you just use this thing, and you basically just put the number, right? Look, it's the same thing, right? 3 by 4, 3 by 4. And what you do is you just put -1, and that's all what you gotta do, okay? And you're gonna get your answer, which is like 1 by 4, okay? And get this, okay, you're probably gonna get a minus sign next to it, and what you gotta do is just ignore it, alright? And simply just put the 1 by 4, okay? And don't ask me why you put the -1, okay? I don't know why the fuck you put it. Just put it, man, and you're gonna get a mark. So our answer over there is 1 by 4, so you simply just put 1 by 4, and there you go. That's 1 mark right there. You're welcome, okay? And over here, right, as you can see, okay, we got dot, and on top of that dot there's a number, okay? What do you do when you see a number on top of that dot? You simply just put the number in your calculator, okay? 1 by 10, and you basically just put -1, and bam, you got 9 by 10, like holy shit. And again we have like a minus sign next to it, and what you gotta do is just simply ignore that shit. So you have 9 by 10 right now, and there you go. You just write that shit down, 9 by 10, like damn, you got another mark, man. Like you're welcome, man. Alright, now it's for like the tricky shit. Like look at that, there's like a dot, and you would expect a number on top of it, but hell no, these guys want to go like next level bullshit, alright? But don't worry, I got you, alright? Now this is where like these fucking questions come, alright? They come to play, alright? And you basically have to get these two dots from these questions, okay? So now we have no choice but to read what these thingies mean, alright? So if the weather is fine, the probability that Carlos is late arriving at school is 1 by 10. Okay, that shit is already written, so it's irrelevant, and just ignore that shit. Okay, so if the weather is not fine, okay, there you go. Okay, it's not fine. The probability that he's late arriving at school is 1 by 3, and there you go. There is the secret nugget, alright? And again, it's probably gonna come here, right? Because he's late and not fine. Okay, get this. Okay, you want to concentrate on the questions, right? Not fine and late. I'm pretty sure you got that, right? You can see that it's late, and arriving at school is 1/3, right? Not fine, and that is late. Not fine, and that is late. 1/3. So you simply write that shit down here, fam. And I'm probably gonna write it over here. 1/3, and there you go. I wrote that shit. So 1/3, and now there is no number on top of our dot dot, and like I mean there is a number on top of our dot dot. So you simply just put that shit in your calculator, and yeah, you're dot for life then. Okay, so 1/3, all right, minus 1. All right, there you go. That's 2/3. Again, you ignore that shit. No one cares about that minus sign, and you just write 2/3. All right, just let me see one second my table if it's right. All right, so I guess it's right. And holy shit, we just got done with the table, and guess what, fam? You just got 3 marks. Like, check that shit out, man. You're done, but not completely done, because holy shit, there's like a bunch of questions. Okay, but don't worry, man. Like, if you nailed the table right, you're probably gonna nail these questions, but you know, don't worry, I got you. Let's just solve them together. Okay, all right. So in a school term of 60 days, find the number of days the weather is expected to be fine. All right, get this. Okay, these, all right, wait, this is kind of a tricky question, but get this. All right, whenever they say like a number in the start of a question, you basically multiply it. All right, don't worry, you're gonna get it when I like solve the shit. Okay, so find the number of days the weather is expected to be fine. Okay, weather is expected to be fine. So there's like 2 days, right? 2 days the weather is expected to be fine. So it's just basically stupid ass calculation. Okay, first thing first, you gotta use 3/4. Okay, you use 3/4. Okay, and you multiply this with this. All right, don't ask me why, you just do that shit. Okay, you just multiply this with this. 3/4 into 1/10, and bam, you get like 3/40. Okay, and you want to write that shit somewhere. Okay, I'll tell you why later. Okay, just write this thingy, 3/40. Okay, and now the next one is 3/4 into 9/10. Okay, these 2 days are fine, so you basically have to multiply that shit again. Don't ask me why, I don't know why, just do it. You're gonna get the correct answer. Okay, so into 9/10. Okay, and there you go, that's 27/40. Okay, and apparently now we have like 2 numbers, right? Now get this. Okay, after you get done with all that multiplication bullshit, you gotta add these 2, right, so that it forms one number. Now get this. Okay, we don't have 2 dashes here. Okay, this one whole dash is for like one fucking this thingy, like the numerator and denominator, something. So it just has space for one answer. Okay, you can't write these 2 shit down, you gotta combine them, and in order to combine them you gotta add them. Okay, this guy helps in combining 2 numbers into one. Like, holy shit, like this guy is awesome. Okay, so now what you gotta do is basically just add these 2, right? So like, you put the numbers down. There's 3/40. Oh god, this is hard. Okay, 3/40 plus 27. Okay, 27. What the? Okay, 27/40, right? And there you go, that's the answer. Like, holy shit, you would imagine it would be some big ass number, but like, damn, it's just 3/4, and that even looks like a cool answer. Like, if your answer looks simple, it's probably the correct answer, but if it's like kind of fucked up, it's probably the wrong answer, the right answer. I don't know shit. So this answer is like 3/4. Okay, and boom, you just got 1 mark. Like, so much bullshit and you get 1 mark. Like, bruh, like, you do so much hard work and you get 1 mark. Like, that's just so dumb. Okay, so now moving on to our next question. find the probability that the weather is fine and Carlos. One sec. Alright, sorry guys, the battery ran out, and yeah, I'm back. Anyway, where were we? Alright, we were in the second question, right? So, okay, I'm just gonna read it. Find the probability that the weather is fine and Carlos is late arriving at school. Okay, so find the probability that the weather is fine and Carlos. Man, do you ever do this shit? Like, you just can't get the question and you just keep on reading that shit. So, okay, I'm gonna just read it again, so hopefully I get that shit. So, find the probability that the weather is fine. Where is fine? There you go, that's fine. Okay, and Carlos is late arriving at school. Okay, fine and late. Okay, that's kind of simple. You basically just multiply this shit with this shit. It's just, oh shit. Okay, screw it. Okay, let's just do it really quick. 3 by 4. Multiply that shit into 1 by 10. Oh man, this is hard. Okay, 1 by 10. 3 by 40, and 3 by 40 should be your answer for B. Or wait. Kind of confused. Oh yeah, wait. It's 3 by 40, right? It's the calculator, alright. And trust me, it's the correct answer. 3 by 40. Alright, there you go. Okay. Now the next question. Find the probability that Carlos is not late arriving at school. Carlos is not late, and not late. Okay, this one is kind of like a tricky question. They're trying to fool you, but just see not late in the table, like not late and not late. And what you gotta do is shitloads of calculation. Okay, but basically you take the not late and you I guess you add it with this not late. I'm not sure, but like let's just see if that's the way how you gotta do it. Okay, so I'm gonna just put 9 by 10 and multiply that with 2 by 3. Bro, I'm so confused. Okay, 3 by 5. Holy shit, I guess that's the wrong answer, man. Oh my god, what are we supposed to do, man? Wait, let me think. Find the probability that Carlos. Alright, after thinking shitloads, I got what was the problem. Okay, apparently you do not add these two together, because mate, you're forgetting about these things, and apparently these things are important because they have a connection to this one. This is the weather and they are late at this weather. Okay, apparently this shit is important. So okay fam, I'm gonna tell you what you gotta do now. Alright, apparently you gotta use this one and multiply with this one. Alright, and this one you gotta multiply with this one. Okay, and I'll tell you why later on. Okay, so first thing first, you do this 3 by 4 and you multiply that with 9 by 10. Oh my god, what am I doing? What the hell is that? That's like some alien ass figure. Okay, wait, let's try that again. 3 by 4, multiply that with 9 by 10. Bro, trust me man, it's hard recording and doing maths at the same time. So you're gonna get 27 by 40 and you want to write that shit down somewhere. Okay, so 27 by 40. Okay, and then it's 1 by 4 and 2 by 3. Okay, so you're gonna do the same thing again. 1 by 4 into 2 by 3. Okay, oh god, it's super hard. Okay, 2 by 3. And there you go, man. That's 1 by 6. I hopefully think that's the thingy. Okay, and you write down that thing. Okay, and guess what? What you gotta do to bring two numbers to 1? You gotta simply just add that shit, man. Okay, and you do that. Okay, so